Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be new system test 2. So, got the setup is pretty much the same as the last time. We still got the strobe up here, but one thing has changed about the MS 710 pulse station. You probably guessed it. I took the dual action part out. It's because I wanted to have it single action. See push bar right there. But yep, and it is plugged in right there. So yeah, we're gonna do things where where I pull the lever down and then key activate it. But yeah, all right. So 3, 2, 1. You guys can't see it. All right, I'll be back in a second. I just gotta go do something. Okay, I'm back now. Yeah. So I'm gonna reset the pull station, and we're gonna do key activation. What's weird about this is it even takes a B key, like a simplex B key fits in this pull station. Also, shout out to Handbasket, as I like his videos as well. Go subscribe to him. I'll get the link for his channel in my description. Yep. MSS 710U. Alright. Alright guys, so before I key activate the alarm, I'm gonna do a thing. Oh my god, there's a fire, Okay, yeah, never do this at home, as you'll get in trouble for pulling the fire alarm. Now we're gonna do the key activation part. So got my B key. Well, I don't want to waste the Mercom key, like, because the Mercom keys can wear down, and this key is like already, it has years on it. Okay. The Mercom key is brand new, so I'm just gonna do this with the B key. All right, 3, 2, 1. Come on. There we go. And yeah, I have to leave the pull station open, because if I push on the button, it'll shut off the device. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna reset the pull station and figure out this. Oh wait, let me show you guys something cool. Okay, so I have the pull station, right? It's key activated. But if you press it and leave the pull station on the button, it'll do this. I don't know if that's as cool, but like, it's pretty cool. It's flashing in a weird pattern. Alright, so also one cool thing that I know a couple YouTubers like might not know. If you pull this thing down just enough, confirm it is plugged in. This is a design flaw, by the way. The alarms don't go off. Okay, I know it is right now, but like if you pull it down just enough, the alarms don't go off. See? Yep. Anyways, that's going to be it for the system test. I know it's not as fun as the last one. I do have plans to take this down and replace it with a horn strobe. I just have to get I have to get some devices. Also, I might not replace this pull station for a long time, but I do have plans to replace this with a notifier pull station if notifier complies, or no, not notifier, sorry, any other pull station. Okay. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and shout out to Hen Basket. Peace out.